Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm here to review this doctor kit. I was looking for something that was going to keep my 3-year-old busy, something that was going to be fun for her, something to keep her entertained, and this was exactly what I was looking for. So something unique to this is the blood pressure cuff. It's really cool because all the tools have their own little thing that works. So with this one, you press it and it moves, and she just absolutely loves playing with that one. And then her favorite one when we go to the doctor's office, luckily the doctors are really nice about it, she loves to play with the stethoscope. This one makes a little heartbeat noise. Very cute, and it lights up. And the other tools have lights on them as well. If you are looking for a great toy to keep your kid busy, something that's going to be fun for them, something that's going to be entertaining for them, I highly would recommend this doctor kit right here.